Hey everyone, James Azar here with CyberHub Podcast and your daily practitioner brief for Wednesday, May 20th, 2020. Today's practitioner brief is brought to you by our friends over at KnowBe4. You can go to KnowBe4, KNOWBE4, the number 4, .com for more information. Go to our website, cyberhubpodcast.com as well. If you go to cyberhubpodcast.com, you can also get our practitioner brief in PDF format in your inbox daily. So everything that you're hearing here today can also be found with all the appropriate links and everything you need directly in your inbox so you can share it with your team every single day. So let's get into what's happening today. A lot to cover with this midweek brief. Microsoft is warning of a massive phishing attack against legit RATs. The Microsoft Security Intel team has outlined in a series of tweets a massive campaign that is spreading the tool via malicious Excel attachments. It's pretending to come from Johns Hopkins Center, and it is an Excel sheet titled COVID underline USA underline NYT underline 8072.xls. And when you open it, once you enable macros on that Excel, then the computer is infected and it's game over at that point. There's been reports of lateral network move also with this specific attack vector. So just make sure you're updating that. All the information can be found on our PDF. A Windows 10 update won't install and has audio issues and bugs as well. So a Windows 10 users are facing numerous errors when installing the latest KB 4556799 cumulative update from Microsoft. And those who can install it are reporting a variety of problems. We have all the fixes on our PDF of how you can fix your audio issue, as well as how you can fix your blue screen of death issue with this specific update. All of the directions, everything can be found on our website at cyberhubpodcast.com. Go to Practitioner Brief. You can see it right there. Adobe issues an out-of-band patch to fix a remote code execution flaw in their Adobe Rush software. The update and the link can also be found on our website as well. But the company did release a security advisory warning, rating it a 7.8 in the severity score, and it's titled CVE 2020-90586. The NetWalker criminal gang is adjusting its ransomware operation to only target enterprise business and not small to mid-sized businesses as before. They've also launched a code of ethics among thieves where if they launch a ransomware attack for you, you must have a decryption key and people must be able to retrieve their files if they pay for the ransom. They say there's never honor among thieves. That might be the case here, but it seems like they're trying to set some sort of, they see ransomware as a business proposition, folks, and that's something to keep in mind. You can find more information on this on Bleeping Computer. The link is available on our PDF. They have some great screenshots and great research over there on this specific aspect with a ton of different researchers. You want to have this, you want to be able to share it across your organization, especially across your executive leadership if you're an enterprise type business, simply because this kind of stuff shows just how people are coming after you and the need to really step up your security. So if you're having any challenges with any of that stuff internally, you can definitely use today's report to support your efforts. And finally, a good guys prevail. Weekly, we try to highlight one good things, the good guys when they win. And today, it's reported that the Ukrainian Secret Service has announced the arrest of a hacker known as Sanex, responsible for selling billions of hacked credentials on hacking forums and Telegram channels. He was arrested in Ivano-Frankivsk, a city in the western Ukraine. Authorities have not released his real name, but he's been operating since at least 2018. Some are saying much more before. A lot of people have called him a data broker, meaning when hackers, cyber criminals, I'm still trying to correct my own verbatim in calling them what they are, which is cyber criminals. He serves as a middleman between cyber criminals who actually steal data and the people who want to buy it. And so he's known as a data broker. He's collected a ton of information and sells it on the dark web and on different Telegram channels. That's it for us here today with your Practitioner Brief. Tomorrow will be our final day for the Practitioner Brief for this week. We'll have a lot to bring to you then. And one last thing to talk about today is the yesterday I briefly discussed the Israeli cyber attack on the Iranian port and what's been disclosed thus far. There's a new realm of cyber attacks that are coming this way. Will be something that I'll be talking about on Friday on a LinkedIn Live. You're more than welcome to join us there. If you don't follow us on LinkedIn, go to the CyberHub podcast on LinkedIn. Follow us there. It'll be a LinkedIn Live, and that's what we're going to be talking about, is the whole Israel-Iran cyber war that's been going on now for just over a decade, and how it's impacting corporations that are being caught in the middle of all of this, and a lot more. So LinkedIn Live this Friday, make sure you tune in. Until tomorrow, folks, I wish you a great rest of your day, and most importantly, stay cyber safe.